What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and this is my Accord. And in this video we are going to be installing the smoked reflectors. My reflectors are already smoked, but I bought the ones that light up and are sequential, so we're going to be installing those today. And yeah. Alright, so I ordered the ones that come with the yellow turn signals, or the yellow lights when you use the turn signals, and these motherfuckers are red, man. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but yeah, they're red. I'm pretty upset about that. I'm not even gonna cap, because I waited long as heck for those. But you know, man, it is what it is. So if it's really bothering me that much, I'll just get the right ones. But for now, I'm gonna just stick with them, man. Cause why not? Fuck it. I don't want to wait a long ass time again. So yeah, man, I'm gonna just stick with these, and I'll show y'all the end results. So stay tuned, y'all. I just finished hooking them up, and I'm gonna show you guys the end product and show you guys how it looks. So let me know what you guys think about them in the comments below, and thank you guys for watching the video and sticking with me through the process. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more mods on my Accord. Thank you everyone. Have a good night.